COVID-19 pandemic, beginning in early 2020, caused a global health emergency, but its economic effects were just as devastating. The pandemic that changed the world is a documentary by DW that captures the financial consequences of the pandemic and the responses of governments and institutions around the globe.
Summary of documentary. The documentary highlights several key points. One is economic shutdown. Lockdowns brought major industries like tourism, aviation, and retail to a halt. Number two, market turmoil. Global stock markets become unstable, with sharp declines and panic-driven volatility. Number three, unemployment spike. Millions of workers lost jobs, especially in low-income and service sectors. 4. Government intervention. Massive financial aid and stimulus package were rolled out to save economies. 5. Debt and recoveries. Countries accumulate significant debt, raising concerns about future economic stability. 6. Digital shift. The crisis accelerated the move to digital platforms in business, education, and communication.
Economic shutdown. Pandemic led to widespread lockdowns that forced entire industries to come to standstill. Tourism, aviation, and retail were among the hardest hit. As travel restriction and social distancing rule made it impossible for the sectors to operate normally. Many businesses had to close temporarily, while others shut down permanently due to lack of revenue. This sudden halt in economic activity disrupted global supply chains and reduced consumer spending. As people stayed at home, business stopped operating, the flows of money within the economy slowed dramatically. The shutdown showed how dependent modern economies are on constant activity and how quickly these things can collapse with activity stop. Market turmoil. The uncertainty caused by the crisis sent shockwaves through the global stock markets. Investors panic in lending the sharp declines in stock prices and extreme market volatility. The financial markets became unpredictable and fear overtook strategy, resulting in rapid sell-off and loss of investor confidence. Turmoil affected both large and small investors, retirement funds, and overall financial system. Instability highlighted the fragile nature of market during global emergencies and demonstrated how quickly panic can spread across the financial world, disrupting investment, saving, and long-term financial planning.
Unemployment spike. As business shut down or scaled back operations, millions of people lost their jobs. The impact was especially severe for workers in the service sector like restaurants, retail, and hospitality who could not work remotely and often lack job security or savings to fall back on. This spike in unemployment not only affected individual households but also placed a huge burden on government system. Unemployment benefit shortage and the sudden loss of income led to a rise in poverty and inequality. The crisis revealed just how vulnerable low-income workers are in times of economic block. Government intervention. To prevent total economic collapse, government worldwide stepped in with emergency financial aid, stimulus checks, unemployment support, small business loans, and tax relief measures were introduced to provide immediate relief to citizens and companies.
Debt and recovery. While financial aid helped in the short term, it also resulted in a significant rise in national debt. Countries borrowed heavily to fund recovery programs, raising concerns about how sustainable this debt would be in the long run. As the immediate crisis eased, government faced the difficult task of balancing economic recovery with fiscal responsibility. High levels of debt could lead to inflation, reduced public services, or future financial instability. The documentary emphasizes the need for constant planning and even during emergencies.
Digital shift. The crisis forced a rapid shift to digital platforms across many sectors. Businesses moved to remote work, school adopted online learning, and people turned to digital communication. tools to stay connected. This transition helped many organizations continue operating despite physical restrictions. However, the shift also exposed digital inequalities. Those without access to device or internet connection were left behind, especially in poorer regions. While some companies thrive in the digital space, others struggle to adapt. The crisis made it clear that digital readiness is now essential for survival and growth in the modern world.
Number one, strengthen healthcare system. First and foremost, the pandemic highlighted the importance resilience of healthcare system. When hospital clinics were overwhelmed, it became clear and consistent funding, well-trained personnel, and modern infrastructure were essential for handling sudden surges in patients' number. Without these fundamental elements, healthcare service can quickly reach a breaking point, putting countless lives at risk. In addition, investing in preventive measure research and global disease monitoring is a vital mitigate the impact of future crises. By strengthening public healthcare campaigns, vaccination program, and international information sharing, government and health organization can catch emerging threats early. This holistic approach to healthcare, encompassing prevention, treatment, and rapid response capabilities, ensure that societies can respond shifting and effectivity to unexpected health emergencies. Improve economic safety nets. Economic safety nets such as unemployment benefit, stimulus package, and business support provide crucial when lockdown and travel restriction disrupt countless industry. Many individuals face a sudden job losses or reduced income, making it challenging to afford basic necessities. By providing robust financial assistance program, government can protect citizens' well-being and maintain economic stability during the turbulent times. In long run, strengthening these safety nets means not only preparing for crisis but also fostering a more equitable society. A comprehensive system that includes job training, childcare support, and social service can empower people to re-enter the workforce or adapt the changes market demand. When well structured, this measure help cushion the impact of economic shock and ensure that recovery is swift and inclusive. Number three, building digital infrastructure. With social distancing and lockdown measures in place, the pandemic accelerated the shift to digital platform for work, education, and communication. Countries and communities that had reliable internet access and digital tools were able to adapt more smoothly to remote work and online learning. By contrast, those without robust digital infrastructure face a greater challenges, including the lost educational opportunities and slower economic recovery. Building a strong digital infrastructure involved in expanding internet coverage, improving bandwidth, and investing in a technology that supports remote collaboration. This also includes ensuring cybersecurity measures to protect data and user from digital threats. When everyone has access to reliable online resources, societies can remain connected, business can continue operating, and learning can persist regardless to a physical distance. 4. Focus on equality. The pandemic understood the existing inequality across the various demographics, include income level, racial groups, and geographic region. People vulnerable or marginalized communities were more likely to face job losses. Lack of communities were more coverage and experience disruption in education. Addressing these gaps is essential to ensure that all members of society have a full and safety healthcare and prosperity. Focusing on equal goals beyond providing short-term assistance it is required changes such as improving public education, affordable housing, and access to healthcare. By implementing policies that prioritize in underprivileged groups, societies can help to reduce disparities that can often exacerbated during crisis. A more equitable society is not only more just but also better equipped to handle future threats.
Number 5. Global cooperation. No country can tackle a global pandemic alone. The rapid spread of COVID-19 highlighted the interconnectedness of our world. With viruses crossing borders in a matter of days, collaboration in sharing research, medical supplies, and best practices was crucial to combating the virus effectively. Through cooperation effort, countries can pool resources, knowledge, and expertise to respond more efficiently and minimize global impact. Beyond pandemic response, global cooperation lays the foundation for addressing other transnational challenges such as climate change, economic instability, and humanitarian crises. International organizations, governments, and private entities all have role to play in fostering a spirit of shared responsibility. By recognizing our mutual dependence, nations can build stronger, more resilient system that benefits everyone. In summary, the pandemic's lessons point to the need of the resilient healthcare, robust safety nets, advanced digital infrastructure, social equality, and international collaboration. Each area demands ongoing attention and resources to ensure society can navigate both present and future disruptions. By reflecting on the challenges faced during COVID-19, leaders and communities worldwide can identify and address the structural weaknesses that left them vulnerable. Ultimately, this lesson serves a roadmap for creating a safer, more equitable global society, strengthening healthcare system, boosting economic support, building better digital network, championing equality, and fostering global cooperation are crucial steps toward preventing and managing future crises. Adopting these measures can help the world bounce back up faster and emerge stronger from any challenges that lie ahead.